It's a 2016 Chevrolet Cruze. Sit back and enjoy a peaceful, quiet journey with acoustical insulation keeping the noisy world away, while a powerful 1.4-liter turbocharged engine whisks you off on your next adventure. Road-hugging stability and traction control is there to monitor every second of your drive, while OnStar is there for directions and emergencies. You're always connected with built-in Wi-Fi, while the auxiliary audio input helps make every drive uniquely yours. From the morning commute to weekend adventures, this Cruze is the do-it-all compact that is there to serve. Take it for a test drive. Here's a 2016 Chevrolet Cruze. This sporty compact is a blast, with a 1.4-liter turbocharged engine providing the instant thrust you need while keeping stops at the pump few and far between. Keyless entry makes hopping in a breeze, while the backup camera helps you squeeze into tight spots. The commute is your escape with personalized entertainment through an auxiliary audio input, and your passengers will love the ride while staying connected and entertained with built-in Wi-Fi. There's little that can't be accomplished in the Chevrolet Cruze. Find out for yourself when you stop by for a test drive.
Fred Haas Toyota World has been a hallmark of our community for more than 40 years. We're easy to find on I-45 North at Louetta, just 2 miles north of 1960.